A man was killed in an accident containing white minibus with a motorcycle and trailer. The collision contained a red motorcycle travelling towards Pembroke during the A477, and a white minibus travelling from Pembroke to the A4075, before adding A477 to Carmarthen. The official identity has not yet happened. Everyone who has information that can help the officers in their investigations, 101 DYFED-PAWYS.police.uk by sending or calling to the DYFED-PAWYS police as requested by sending, or calling point 101. Deaf, hearing difficulties or speech impaired text if you are 07811311908 is not an emergency number. Quote reference DP202305131109.